Alright, welcome to Pokea Store, product by Pokea Pay. Today we'll show you how to use the Pokea Store app. So once you download and open the app, the landing page will request you either to scan a QR and log in or enter your email and password. This is the same email and password you use when you're logging into your store. So we'll just log in. It would require you to confirm. And once the dashboard opens up, you have a list of what we call your to-do list and your dashboard today. It also comes with an element of reporting, which gives you ability to see your revenues, how your clients are selling, how many visitors you have on the site. So this first section just basically leads you to your own store online. This second section covers your reports. You can get a bit more detail, number of visitors, how many product views, how many orders have been placed, your revenue, and basically your sales funnel, which really gives you insights into conversion statistics. So for example, 21% of your visitors have a conversion ratio. Of course, this allows you to also modify based on the time. The other section is your to-do list. These are essentially people who have either paid, require shipment, or say for example had started trying to make a payment or trying to check out but abandoned their cart. So this also gives you that element. So that's your dashboard. So for example, on your to-do list, you will see that there's an order that's been paid and is waiting for processing. The next tab is your orders. These are all the orders outstanding, either paid, delivered, awaiting processing, or that. This is a list of all your products. This shows you what is in stock, what's in low stock, and this shows you all. Okay. This is your tab where you can create coupons, discount coupons. So for example, if you're running a campaign, a discount campaign, be it Mother's Day, Father's Day, whatever you're selling, or Christmas, you can issue some discount coupons and clients can key in those coupons on checkout. This is basically your settings page, which just shows out your payments, how you're set up on your sales channels, your various customers, and your carts. So let's take an example of an offline sale. So if you have a client who's come in, you can add the product. For example, if it's not on your menu list, you can do that. If it is on your menu list, you just come there. You come to orders, you add a new product. Sorry about that. Come to orders, create a new order, add the product. Let's take, for example, you're a restaurant and you're taking a phone order. You'd come here, somebody has ordered one margarita, 12-inch, one quantity. You'd click that. You'd preview the items and say, okay, then you charge. So if the client is doing a pickup, you would use a cash option because you would simply just take cash and give them the pizza. If you're doing a delivery and this is an offline order, you just click that as an unpaid item. Okay, and then the order would have been placed. Now you'd be awaiting payment and delivery. Once the client has made the payment, you could click there as paid. The product would now update as paid. Now, when it's been processed, you can click that, and the status would update as processing. You can also add notes to your staff in case there are any specific client requirements. Once the client has paid, you have the option here of indicating the M-Pesa reference. You also have the ability to update the client details. And finally, just key in the country. This helps you build your customer database contacts as well. Okay, put in the telephone number, and you've updated the client's order with their client details. You have your M-Pesa reference. You can now proceed to do the delivery. If once your delivery has been done, you can click that delivered, and the status of the order will update to delivered. Okay, you can now forward a copy of that payment delivery via PDF to the client. You can share that via PDF as well. Okay. Alternatively, you can share this or print out or share copy a link to the clipboard, and the client can get that whether via WhatsApp or either way. Okay, and that's it.